Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about Sunbum Zinc Oxide. This is a great sunscreen lotion, sunscreen zinc oxide lotion. And, you know, Sunbum's an awesome company. I'm out at the beach a lot, so I use this stuff a lot. I've used it for a long time. And I just got this nice little jar. So I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about it. So this one is specifically as an SPF 50. Which is, you know, really great for fair skin. It's also a 1 ounce jar, spectrum, UVA, UVB protection, and it is also paraben free, gluten free, and oil free. For those of you who, I guess, need that. That doesn't really, I guess, make a big impact on my buying decisions, but for some people it may. So it is broad spectrum, which is awesome. Great because it helps to protect you from UVA and UVB rays. It's very all-around kind of sunscreen. I've always used zinc sunscreens. They're great. I believe they're the most protective, and it's just really nice. The cool thing about this specific zinc oxide is that it is totally clear. A lot of the zinc sunscreens that I used to use were white, so you'd put them on, you know, you would kind of get that Casper face, or at least like the white nose, like your cliche white nose lifeguard sort of thing. But with Sunbum, they made a clear zinc oxide. And really, you put this on your face or put it on your skin and, you know, rub it in and it disappears really, really nicely. It doesn't even look like you have sunscreen on. And also because it's oil-free, it doesn't make your face look like greasy or oily or anything like that. So they did a really good job with whatever, I guess, like recipe they're using here. It is, like I said, it's SPF 50. I have pretty fair skin, so it's really nice for me. And my family also has a history of skin cancer. So, you know, if you have either of those things, I would definitely recommend looking for a higher SPF, and SPF 50 is perfect for that. And I'm in the sun quite a bit, so, you know, I really feel the need to stay as protected as possible. And I think something like this has really helped in doing that. Sunbum, all the products they make, including their zinc oxide lotion, are totally reef friendly. That was one of, I guess, my biggest things in buying it. I know I found out a few years ago that a lot of the sunscreen companies were essentially using bleaching chemicals. Those things, you know, destroy reefs and are just bad for the environment. And so getting something that is dedicated to helping and relieving destroying of reefs is really important, because that's, you know, it's a natural cause. It's our environment. So I think it's important to if you're going to be in the water, courteous of it as well. It's also not tested on animals, which is another big thing. You know, recommend if you're looking for sunscreen, look for one that doesn't get tested on animals, and this is one. Also, you can see right here, I just missed that, 1 ounce. It is TSA approved, which is awesome if you're going on vacation. That's actually why I got this little small one, because we were going down to Costa Rica, flying out there, so it was cool to have sunscreen that I could just, you know, take with me, and it wasn't a big deal. In use, you know, I wear Sunbum really every time I go to the beach. Sometimes even on days where I just know I'm going to be out in the sun a lot. The cool thing is with this, because it's SPF 50, you don't have to use a ton of it. It works really well. It's great for your face. I use it mostly on my face, and I'll use a different one on the rest of my body if I have access to other ones. So that's what I kind of recommend it for. I typically put it on 30 minutes or so before I'm going to be out in the sun or be out in the water. And I feel like it stays on really nicely. You know, I go out surfing, it doesn't, you know, run, get in my face or anything. And, you know, I feel like it's protected. I don't, you know, come back. It's been a while since I've gotten a sunburn, let's put it that way. Again, I'm out a lot of the time. The cool thing about this as well is it is doubles as a lotion, so you should also put it on when you get out of the sun and get out of the water or whatever. And you can put it on again, and it just kind of rejuvenates your skin. That's probably going to be, you know, dry and hot. So it's really great for that as well. But yeah, if you guys are in need of a sweet sunscreen for this summer, definitely check out Sunbum. This is their 1 ounce zinc oxide lotion container. It's an awesome little thing. So yeah, take it easy guys, stay cool.